What do you mean by zone of mixing? This is the layer where usually air which is there near to the surface, जो surface के पास में है, it absorbs the heat from the surface and this air rises through convection. Okay, so whatever the air which is there near to the surface, it continuously rises through convection. There is air which is rising in different parts of the earth through convection, through heating of the surface. As this part reaches the edge of the troposphere, it descends down in different parts. ऐसे continuously currents बनते हैं. We call them as convection currents. Within the layer of troposphere, the air continuously rises and descends, convects and subsides along the different regions. Okay, so latitude wise belts बनता है, तो along these belts we see this continuous process. The overall idea is the gases are not settled, these are not stationary, they continuously gets mixed up. Okay, ऊपर जाएगा नीचे आएगा, ऊपर जाएगा नीचे आएगा, ऐसे पूरा continuously mix up होते ही रहता है. So that is why this is called as the convection layer or the zone of mixing. Whatever the gases which are present in this layer, they continuously rise and subsides. Okay, convex and subsides. Right? It is this process which is very much important for the formation of clouds. Clouds, rainfall, evaporation, condensation, all of these are basically part of this. The air which is there near to the surface absorbs the water from the surface, and as it rises, its temperature decreases, condensation happens, there is cloud formation, precipitation, and this air subsides somewhere else. Okay, फिर नीचे आएगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा, फिर नीचे आएगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा, ऐसे continuously process चलता ही रहता है, and all the weather phenomena happens inside this only. So this is the layer of troposphere, the first layer, and this mixing stops as you reach the edge of the troposphere. The edge of the troposphere where the nature of the air changes from here to here. Okay, यहाँ पर एक behavior है, यहाँ पर एक अलग सा behavior है, क्योंकि ये तो stratosphere है, यहाँ पर mixing नहीं होगा. तो we'll discuss about that. So the change in the behavior is basically transitioning. Okay, यहाँ से वहाँ पर transition होता है ना. So that part, that layer is what is called as tropopause. What is tropopause? It is a transition zone between the troposphere and stratosphere. दोनों के बीच में transition होगा. The most important characteristic of troposphere is this continuous mixing, and during this process it triggers all the weather phenomena. And it is because of this entire weather phenomena happens only inside the troposphere. The height of the troposphere, okay, tropopause जहां पर मिलता है, it varies between 6 to 16 kilometer. Is it uniform or random? It is totally uniform. It is totally predictable. ऐसा नहीं है कि हर जगह में 6 होगा या 16 होगा. वो कैसे होगा? Okay, this is the overall latitudes of Earth. Near to the tropical region, the height of the troposphere is 16 kilometers. Near to the polar region, the height of the troposphere is just 6 kilometers. This height decreases from tropical to polar regions like this. The overall height of troposphere is more near to the equatorial and tropical regions. So there it goes up to 16 kilometers. However, near to the polar region, it goes only up to 6 kilometers. The overall height of the troposphere decreases from equator to poles.